Okay, so how can a school benefit from AkadaLearn? AkadaLearn is an NGO for personalized learning for students. Now, there are a lot of students who are registered, premium, non-premium, that are already taking the challenges. So how can a school benefit from this? Now, all that a school needs to do is to subscribe to this platform. Once you are subscribed as a school, you have access to all the resources of AkadaLearn, and some of these resources you'll be able to download to your school library. What that means is that you can have all this e-library in your school library offline, so your students can read most of the books on AkadaLearn offline without having to need the internet. And some of the other resources, challenges, can also be taken offline. And of course, the school can also, now for the interesting feature which I want to showcase is the ability for the school to have a dashboard. Now, with the school dashboard, you can click on this place to view your students' performance. This takes you straight to the students' log, where you'll be able to see the name of all your students and their classes, and probably check their performance. So once you click on performance, it takes you to the performance of a student, like this student now, and it shows you all the performance of the students and everything that the student has done, both for challenges and subjects. Everything, you'll be able to measure the progress of the student and everything about the students. Now, the beauty of it is that as a school, you can still dig further to see what the last challenge that this student took, how did she perform, or how did he perform, what did he do right, what did he not do right. And as a school, you can do a review here and be able to know the strong point of a student, and probably encourage work on the student to be able to improve on their performance. So you see what the student got wrong, what they got right, and you'll be able to give the students the appropriate correction. How do you become a partner school? All you need to do is go to the AkadaLearn. You'll see here, click on school partnership. Once you click on school partnership, it takes you to this page, and you can click on become a partner school. You fill this form. Being a partner school is 500,000 naira, but for now, AkadaLearn is giving it for 100,000 naira, and it's a lifetime subscription. I think this is a beautiful innovation for schools, so I don't know why your school will not subscribe to this.